With me today is Judy Hoberg, founding member of Studios on High Gallery. Judy, thanks for being here.
So glad to be here. Thank you.
Of course. So tell us about the history of Studios on High.
Well, I was good friend of Sandy Wood, who developed the Short North area, and so I was one of his first tenants, along with two other artists that were looking for a place to display their work. And we had all of our studios individually in there, but under the umbrella of Studios on High. And that was in '87, so we're coming up on a 40th next year.
Wow.
So that's a long time, and I hope people don't do the math.
Right, they don't need to.
Good. So it just grew and grew. We started it just to get our artwork out. And then we sort of developed a community among the three of us. And then one person needed to retire, and so we brought in other artists to display and started dividing up all of the obligations of running a gallery, which are many. And then it kept growing and growing, and I had my studio there as a manager for 30 years. And then we have a wonderful team now of a trio that run the gallery and keep us in line. And so now we have 18 local artists, always been local artists. And every time you come in, you meet at least two of our artists demonstrating their creativity.
Oh, wow, that's
so
wonderful.
It's unique in that way. So we are the oldest gallery in the Short North, and proud of that.
Absolutely.
Love the area, love the neighbors, and it's just such a creative atmosphere all the way around.
Must be such a privilege to watch that area grow and to see the artists.
It really has been. Yeah, so many unique, one-of-a-kind stores that people who are running them are passionate about. It's something they always wanted to do. So there's a real feel in the area of people blossoming, doing what they want to do.
Lots of creative spirit.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Speaking of getting creative, tell me what delicious dish we're making today.
Well, it's a glorified carrot dish.
Okay, I love that.
With very simple ingredients. And I confess, it hadn't been in my family for years, but I found it in a magazine. And it was so beautifully displayed as the finished project.
Yeah, sometimes it's the best way to find recipes. They just stumble upon them.
But I've always been in quest for good carrot recipes because my daughter hates carrots. And so I made her test a bite of every time we had carrots, and so it's a family joke.
Have you ever found one she likes?
This
one. Oh, this is the winner.
Yeah.
This is very special.
Yeah. She told me to be sure to tell you that.
Absolutely. That's huge. Good to know. So if you have someone who's on the fence about carrots, this is the dish.
It is, and it's beautiful.
Yes.
And we're always I'm always looking for side dishes that are pretty and colorful.
Yes, because we kind of eat with our eyes first, so something that's so pretty and vibrant.
This definitely is the one I like.
Well, tell us what ingredients we'll need.
The ingredients we'll need are 1 pound of carrots, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon sugar, a half a cup of pitted Kalamata olives, 2 tablespoons drained capers, 2 teaspoons minced chives.
Judy, I'm excited to start preparing this dish. Before we do, tell me about some of the types of art people can experience at Studios on High.
Well, with 18 artists, we have a huge variety. We cover almost every base, 2D, 3D. So there's something for everyone. And when you come in, as I mentioned, you can meet them, and interacting with the public is a really important part of our community. We feel we have a community among ourselves as well as the larger community in the area. And that's been a very part of making creativity more fun, and we give each other input and critiquing, very seldom critiquing. So we have painters, we have sculptors, we have wood workers, we have ceramics. we cover about every base.
That's great. And I love that idea of the artists are at work when you enter the gallery, because if some folks are kind of intimidated to come in, it's here they are, they're working, they're showing you how the process goes.
Yeah.
That's a nice way for people to connect.
It really is. And communication is what artists really crave. We're making art, we're loving the process, we're loving the community, but we really want to have a viewer connect with us, and understanding how it's made really helps that connection.
That's such a good point. I think we should get started. What's our first step here?
Well, half a cup of water.
Do we start with butter or water? We start water first?
You put it all in the pan at once.
Okay. I don't know why. I just assumed butter was going in.
No.
Interesting.
Butter.
Okay.
Oops, probably shouldn't be touching it with my
Okay.
fingers.
Got clean hands.
Okay, and let's...
Do we need a little tool to move that butter around, or are we?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, we'll grab that.
And the surprise is there's no salt added because the other ingredients add a lot of salt.
Okay, so that's sugar that just went in.
Yes.
Does that just kind of bring out the sweetness of the carrots?
Well, it helps the carrots caramelize.
Of course.
So you boil all the water away. You cover it for 8 minutes and let it cook the carrots. And when that's done, then the water needs to disappear so the butter can do that job
There's a
of
spoon
browning
we can
it.
grab if we need to give that butter a stir.
Whoops.
Good start with melted butter. Can't go wrong. That's so funny that your daughter didn't like carrots. And you went on a quest to find a recipe she likes. Maybe she just likes olives and capers and it covers up the carrots.
Maybe so. Well, she does, I think. So we can actually add the carrots at this point.
Okay.
Because all the ingredients except for the olives and capers go in all at once.
Okay.
And then put a lid on it and let it cook for 8 minutes.
While we wait for the carrots to cook, I see this gorgeous bowl here. Can you tell me the story behind this?
Yes, you said I could bring a bowl with me from one of our artists, Jennifer Jolly Brown. It's a gorgeous glazed slab-built bowl. But the real surprise is the bottom of it. Look at that.
That's so intricate and beautiful. I love that the bottom's kind of a surprise.
Yeah, yeah. And I think it would look great sitting on a mirror so you can love the bottom as well as the top. So,
gosh, it is pretty.
But with the orange carrots, that seems like a real natural.
They're gonna pop.
So we really, at the gallery, feel strongly about original art and by getting to know the artist. And one of our artists, Annette Simon, wrote a beautiful quote I would like to read.
Yes, please.
In a world overflowing with mass-produced and algorithm-generated images, original art is a breath of humanity and nature. When you bring original art into your space, you're not just decorating walls or hallways, you're inviting a story in, a voice, and a piece of human expression that exists nowhere else.
I mean, that's beautiful. It's
Isn't
so
it beautiful?
succinct, too.
And it truly is
Something easy
a
for
motto
us to overlook. Yes.
So
That's a wonderful sentiment. Absolutely.
So I like to get them kind of blackened, so yeah. There, it's beginning to brown a little bit. Oh, you did?
No, not really. I just mean like...
You really did a good job. It always takes longer than I think, but it truly adds the dark color of the carrots as they brown. Is a very nice addition.
Absolutely.
Come on, carrots.
They're smelling good.
Yeah.
Getting there.
And I hate to bake because I don't follow directions very well.
I think this is an artist thing. It's common with,
Actually,
you want to wing it.
That's right. See what happens. And most of our artists, I think maybe all, love to cook.
Yeah, because
'Cause
cooking
it's
is art.
creative.
And you can be creative and you can change it up and try different ingredients.
Absolutely. Yeah. All right, we're
These look
really
incredible. Smells so good. Patience is a virtue, carrots. Judy, these look beautiful. They smell incredible.
They do.
Are we ready to toss in our final
Yes,
ingredients?
I'm just getting the little brownness there.
So you could keep browning if you want, depending on the color you want on the
Yeah,
carrots.
and it doesn't hurt capers. You can cook.
Toast them up, yeah.
So we'll just put those
Good
in.
sizzle.
Watch them brown in 1 second.
Right. The carrots took their time.
And then the olives.
Good mix of colors. Ooh.
Yeah.
Now it's a party.
Yeah, it is. All right.
Really pretty.
Okay.
Is that it? That's easy.
That's all.
When do the chives go in? At the end? They garnish?
Just on after you put them in a bowl.
Okay.
So.
Judy, this is a work of art.
It's beautiful,
It's
isn't
gorgeous.
it?
The bowl is huge. I mean, it's just stunning. But
It
this
is.
dish, the carrots, they look amazing, so colorful. I'm excited to taste it.
Oh, good.
Before we do, what's one last thing you'd like folks to know about Studio on High?
I'd like them to know it's an experience to come in. You get to meet the artists. They'll help educate you on their process. And I guarantee you will feel welcomed, comfortable, and enjoy the variety.
That's great. What more could you want?
That's why I've stayed there for 40 years.
You said it. Let's dig in. This looks
All
incredible.
right.